Hey guys, today we'll be doing the Ricola washing machine destruction attempts. Oh, okay. So these are the attempts that I'm gonna do. Didn't never this washing machine right, so I'm gonna up a bit. Accidentally pushed it down a little bit, but there we go. Alright guys, let's try again. Ricola. This machine has no control. Ricola washing machine. So I'm going to throw this stone in it and see what happens. But first I'm going to turn this on. Oh, there it is. Plug it in. Turn it on. Let's go. Then let's go. Oh. Oops. Oh no! Really? What did Ricola do? Stone, what did you do? There we go. Oh. It's getting quick. Attempt 3. Well, that's a quiet washing machine. Never seen washing machine instructions. Very quiet. Super silent. Shall we do it outside or no? It's on. It's very quiet. But a real washing machine's like more noisy. Sticky now. Stone. We have to wash it. Also in the washing machine, I think. Ricola's meant to have sticky drums. Ricola's meant to have sticky drums. I don't know why the problem has sticky drums. Because it's 2, 2, 1. Ha 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 ha! That's attempt 4. Three. Okay, so that's attempt 4 gone. This is the last attempt now. 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh my god. Alright guys, final, we'll do another extra attempt. Oh my god, oh! Ha ha ha, 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 ha. Oh, I lost it. Oh my god, Jesus, the controls flew out almost off. Oh Jesus. Ha 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 ha. That's it, it's gone, it's dead. Washing machine's dead. The washing machine's broken. Oh my god. What a relief. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.